Hi, based here.
No views. Cut sheet optim.
Combustibles.
Good in this. Cops. Combustibles. Smoked out. Never falls out. It never breaks. Crack-headed.
It's not circadian rhythm drinking, but a lot of times sketching out on it, making all sorts of noises. 4 a.m. That's what I want my life to be like. I want to get the stuff so that I can do that, but obviously. There you go. This phone's mounted to a piece of wood that's mounted to one of them like cage things. Nobody can get at me anyway other than straight over there. It's one of them compact fluorescent. I don't really understand how it works. I cannot plug a computer, like a laptop, into this. Things get real fucking weird. Anywhere. Really bad. Totally worth it. Oh, don't look at my grass. My ass. We're good. Family friendly. As family friendly as possible. Now this isn't a video. It's not a video. It's YouTube's. So, oops. Oh, the veneer, dude. I don't think it should matter where the YouTube is based. Handle all that. But the worst drug usage possible. But so don't smoke cigarettes, because I'm still allowed to say that. You're allowed to post drugs on YouTube. You can't like it. This sucks. Oh, this sucks. This is a documentary, guys. Is it technically domestic violence if it takes place in a van? You know, it's not like a van life van. It was in a van, so it wasn't domestic violence. I don't know. Yeah. I don't tend to speak a lot while I'm doing it, and I can get really sucked. Jack. Oh. You didn't see that bias on National Public Radio? John Harvey Kellogg would say Chomo. None of them will do it. See, I haven't been chilling back here drawing on plywood very much. Whatever that has a window that spops open like that, you're gonna want to do that. There's somebody looking at me with a pair of binoculars, like, oh, fuck you, dude. Yeah, you're not a creepy guy. Yeah. Focus achieved. Now, if you guys ever are interested in a rangefinder, it's actually, you can figure out a rough way to do it yourself with just one of these. Just looking at the gas price. $339.9. Diesel, $362.9. Fucking binocular, well, I don't know, 100 yards? 200 yards? You know? 100. I got this for free. Binoculars. Stolen it, actually. Rest in peace. Rest in peace, of course. Alright. Business. Gotta get to that paper chasing. Glue to paste organic, homegrown, recycled paper. That's the level I'm on, dude. Making a paste. The liquidy, fucking kind of yellowish shit. Poop. It's just some shit. Works pretty good, though. It takes a long time to dry. Hard as fuck. It's gonna be super hard. It gets wet, though. Oh, fucking well. Fuck it. You owe me one. You owe me $1. Technically. What do you mean we descended from monkeys? I don't look like a monkey at all. I don't sound like one either. See? Not that kind, stoners. I don't like that shit. I don't like that fucking shit. And I have less scabs. Just one. God damn it. That's how it starts, man. That's okay, though. You know, you can just be a guy in the world that totally sucks. Fuck you. But, like, fuck it, you know? Fuck everything. Who wants to? My brain. Weird stuff in there, man. That shit's fucked up. You thought I was joking. I'm just buff Cyrax. I can just go do welding, dude. Who wrote that script? I can weld. Race cars. I'm just gonna make race cars anytime. Nuts. Because I'm a mature guy, right? Where am I gonna put it? On top of my van? I got this big van, I can just ram the police. That's just what I tell myself to give me some peace of mind. This top part of the sheet, and this nice cut sheet layout, is gonna be getting further away from you guys. Me. How do I do this? Like I set this
Oh shit. So fuck that thing. One. I go to 1, 2, 1, 1. Go to 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. Adjust everything from there. You know what I mean? Like, you go inches, but I forget though. Every time it pisses me off. Is this that osteoporosis arthritis they're fucking talking about? Probably is, eh? Yup, that's for sure. So what I'm doing here, everything, another point, in between everything, cut this sheet. This should be kind of easy. So pop that up to there. I guess that might be how that works. Pop that shit lit. Yodis. There we go. Boom. 94.5. That doesn't... I haven't done this in a long time. Oh, shit. It doesn't agree with me. Shit. What the fuck happened there? Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Math 4. This should not be... But I might actually be really stupid. I don't know. It's hard to tell. Okay. We skipped the 1. Very smart. We're gonna be happy. We're not gonna cry. Yeah. Lines that we need, like now, right? Would make sense. Hey, if my balls are dick tip, I don't have the crew to take care of little issues like that for me, like everybody else does. Oop, that shit's a square. Oh yeah. I like that. It's all a process. You just gotta remember that. Whoa, what fucking difference does that make? It's a process. Oh, great. Thank you. Now I get it. You actually started 0. 0 is inaccurate. We don't have a good 0. That's exactly where I'm going to put this mark. They skimped on lines. They only have like the little tiny lines for like, I don't know if that's, that must be 30 seconds. The little tiny lines that I can barely see them with my aging eyeballs. Because I don't get lost in all the lines at all. Never did. 94.75. Triple fast speed. Just I don't see anybody masturbating. But there are some guys out there. We're gonna do a race. Oh, I lost. Wait, I can still win. I won. I beat it. I would have always won. Good deal. That was a lot of work. I think I'm gonna need a break. Hey, boss. That was a lot of work. I think I'm gonna need a break. Boss. Hey, boss. You need that break, boss? Boss, I got this break for you, boss. Boss. Just keep on working through your break, but it is a break, no, boss. Just work a little slower, boss. There, boss. Boss, you can smoke cigarettes while you work. Just work through your break. I'm fine with that. See if anybody's idling next to you late at night, cutting their engine off and listening intently. I don't see him. Fucking WinFast card. This is vintage. Stupid ass. I hope you turn, bud. I got something for you if you don't want to turn. No, they turned. Seemed like that guy was pulling into some sort of working type area, business type area. Maybe he's the owner. That's just how dedicated that guy is. Kind of like me. What? You think I'm weird? You're weird. What are you doing? That's the most you can hope for. That it don't really fucking matter. Fucking bitch. Damn it. And that's okay. Everything's fine. And it might not be. That's the way it goes. You know, that's how it works. But it was Saturday night. Later today, it's not going to be Saturday night again. It's going to be Sunday night. Even when it's 4 a.m. and it's Monday or whatever. You know, shit happens. How are we going to keep track of that? You know, how are we going to keep track of that? And what kind of people are we if we keep track of that? Oh, it's actually Sunday morning. It's not Saturday night anymore. You were incorrect, sir. Don't worry. Oh, thank God. All right, so there we are. There's our line. Whoa! Why did it go so fucking fast that time? Oh my god, it went so fucking fast, bro. Oh my god. Shit. Then we're good to go. Oh, okay. What the fuck are we doing here? Okay, so. Oh. Holy crap. It fits. But only by like half an inch. Like legitimately. Definitely plan that out. That looks right. Fuck it, why not? Offset, line, dot. That's how I do that. I'm really giving advice here. Exactly. I think I am. I'm pretty good at what I do. Maybe some knee pads actually would have helped a lot. But then there would have been knee pad jokes. But knee pads are how you avoid the bruised knee jokes. So what do you pick your poison? Oh, D-Way crushed. Messed up in a big, big way. I don't really like ants. I don't really like either, though. I don't like any of those things that much. I used because it's more like it was more open, but nowadays it's install a different operating system on it. It would be dope. Doing a bunch of stuff that I don't even want it to do. I understand it's for like reasons or whatever. Oh my god, you gotta be alerted. You know, you guys remember that? How they alerted all your. I'm not exactly making an accusation. It's just that I know they're doing a bunch of shit like that, and it's slowing it down. Base, you would be able to do all the things you do on your as long as you had drivers for those things, and you probably have a lot more control in a lot of ways over how things are recorded. I want to get rid of that too because I didn't ask for that. I don't want that, but there's no way to do it. But it sucks in all kinds of ways. Now we need to do another line, yeah, like 32-ish inches. We're gonna have to get a bigger build-up for a bigger blast on that. Dun, 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 dun. That thing's super dope. I think it's got a flamer on it too. Okay, yep. Who's gonna edit this long-ass video? Oh, are you fucking kidding me? Can't believe it. Is that fucking real? No way, what am I fucking up right now? I did not expect this. Oh my god, I'm scratching it! I'm scratching it! Oh no, I scratched it! Dang it. Oh, straighten out the old bones. Thin life! Thin life! Okay.
What a beautiful world.